Hey everybody, welcome back to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a really fun unboxing. This is something for my barbecue. This is made by a Canadian company, Darebuilt, and they also make amazing baking oven steels or pizza steels. Amazing products. Anyway, I've already opened this, but I just want to show, I haven't pulled it out of the box yet, but I just wanted to get this on film before I do. So check this out. Oh, this is going to be nice. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Let's just get into this. I love their packaging. Everything is really nice. Keeps that product safe on the way to your house. Let's see if I can get this out here. So if you have a barbecue with a really flimsy metal construction, that where you're not getting a lot of heat retention, you're not getting those nice sear marks on your steaks or your hot dogs or hamburgers, this is something that would really be of interest to you. So you can see how thick this is. This here is 3/8 of an inch thick. And again, made by Darebuilt. Included with every product, you're going to get some instructions on how to take care of your grill or your pizza steel, as well as how to season it. And seasoning is really easy. You just apply a little bit of cooking oil to this, and then you put it into your oven or your barbecue around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you just let it sit there for about an hour, and you'll see that it'll turn a very dark color, and that's all you have to do. So look at that. This is nice. Wow. So all of Darebuilt's products, you can find them on their website at darebuilt.ca or on Amazon Canada. And for the last part of my video, I just wanted to show you how nice the hamburgers turned out. So I seasoned the new grill just a couple of hours before we did the hamburgers. And my son was super impressed because it took only about 60 seconds for those burgers to be done on the first side. And you can see super high heat coming off that grill, resulting in really nice grill marks. The grill I had before didn't do a great job. And just to end off the video, I took a couple of pictures of my finished hamburger, and that was a super delicious hamburger. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And remember, all of the information about this brand new grill is underneath the video in the description box. Thanks for watching.